Hello everybody, it's Peyton McDonald, and this is part 2 of the Robosapien review. In the last one we looked at the sensors and where everything was at, and in this one we're going to move on to some more advanced functions of the remote. Some programming and a few things like that. So on the second layer of the remote with the green light, the top section is different. The middle section is still movement related. It's just, they call them steps, which I think are just like shorter movements, like it only walks forward or backwards or turns for like a second and stops. So I don't really see what the point of that is. Maybe if you don't want to hit the stop button every time, I don't know. And then select and stop. Stop on the green light will reset the position of all the motors and everything. So the arms reset. The select and the left and right buttons on the bottom section will just play the reactions for the sensors. Since I don't have any programmed in, it's just going to do and select. With the other buttons will play the programs. Selecting the button right below that will play the program for the sound sensor. Select and next button down, I think, might play the main program. I don't know what that is for. Oops. Let's do a little test program and see if I'm right. The bottom program, or the bottom button in the first section, or the first layer, plays back the program. Okay. The middle button with the green light will play back the program as well. Okay, I don't know why they have that command twice, but okay. And then the select button on the green light with the very bottom button. That replays the startup sequence. So let's go to the top section now. So the top buttons on both sides. On the first layer, they move the arms up and down. But let's see what they do here. I don't remember exactly where everything's at. So I think that is to throw with that hand. So the very top buttons are the throw commands, I think. No, I don't remember. The next ones down, the ones that move the arms down in the first layer, will do the pickup. And then if you go in, the ones that move the arms in and out will do. The ones that move the arms in, the left one will lean it back, and the right one will make it lean forward. And then the bottom ones, the ones that move the arms out, I think those might do the throw. I don't know exactly, and I can't. Yeah, I think that's what those do. I don't know what the other ones do then. But the one that leans it to the left puts it straight in sleep mode. You can hit no other button works to get it out. You can hit the stop button and it'll go back to normal. But that just kind of puts it in sleep mode so that nothing works. It doesn't really do anything. but it'll still save your program. After 2 hours, it will shut off, and if you leave it alone after 5 minutes, it'll go into sleep mode. The third section has a few other things. So the top buttons, the arms up and down. Let's see what the up one does. That, I think, let's see. I don't remember exactly what those are called. Let's see what the ones that put the arms down, what those do on the third section, the third layer. That is talk back, I think is what that command is called. Oh. It was still trying to move the arm up. Okay, that right arm on mine is messed up. Yeah. Yeah. All right. And then on the other side. Oh. Yeah. Let's see. Oh, that wasn't on that section. Okay. And the ones that do the arms in and out, let's see. In does... Oh yeah, those do all the strikes and stuff. So I think in, out, no, in, the, oh, it went into a demo. Get it out. Okay. The arm in, the lean left and right buttons, and the left and right on the directional buttons will do all 3 strikes for each side. So here's the first one. We'll do it on the right side too. Next one. And one thing I will say that I forgot to mention is Wowwee has always done this, or they used to do it on their old robots all the time. Left and right are switched, so instead of it being left and right of the robot, it's left and right as if you were looking at it. So the robot's right side would be your left side. So that's another thing to keep in mind. I think I did those already, so let's do the third ones. And then the other one. Okay. The buttons that do that pull the arms out will do the well, they have other functions. Let's do the one on the left that does the burp, and the one on the right okay. The middle section has a few other functions. So the select on the orange light and then forward will, I think they call that bulldozer. It does the running thing. Go ahead and run into the camera, Mom. Okay, and then the stop, the select on the orange light, and then the stop button. I think they call that roar or something. And then select, and the backwards button will do, I think this says, okay, sorry about that. Anyway, the select on the orange light, and then the, not that one. Select 2 times, and the backwards button They say, I think that one's oops or something. It's a fart. Can they not put the word fart in toys? I don't know. But now let's go to the bottom section. So these are all demo modes, or a few of them are. The select on the orange light and the button on the left of the bottom section is the first demo. And then the button on the right does the second demo. I'll show you that one. So like I said, mine's a little messed up. And then the button right below the select button does the dance demo. So I'll do that. There's probably millions of videos showing this, but we'll do it anyway because I like it. Okay, the demos I think are literally sequences of the pre-programmed actions. I don't think there's anything different between going through all of those and playing the demos, other than the demo just does them all at the same time. And then the button right below the, I think in the normal mode, without the light, that is the button that does the sound sensor programming, which on the third section is the dance. Below that is all demo, so it does the dance and then it does the first and second demos. And then the select in the very bottom button is power off, and that is another way to turn it completely off without using the button on the back. So I'll do that. And now it is completely turned off. So I'm going to turn it back on and then well, actually, no, I won't. This will be the end of part 2, and then we'll get to part 3, which is programming. So I will see you all in the next video. Thanks for watching, and bye.